In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to easily share files from shared locations within your organization. But before we dive into the file sharing step, let's first explore why using shared locations for work files is crucial. When sharing files, it's important to remember that personal files should only be shared from your OneDrive. For work-related files, it's best to upload them to a shared location within your organization. But why is this important? Because shared locations ensure that files stay available even if someone leaves the team. Files stored in shared locations don't count against your personal storage quota, which helps keep your account organized and efficient. Let's look at a side-by-side comparison that highlights the key differences. Here you can see personal and your shared location. Looking at the personal storage, there's limited access. This means that files stored in your personal cloud storage are usually only accessible to you unless you explicitly share them. Another thing to consider is that they're tied to your account. Files that are tied to your personal account means that if you leave the organization, the file might no longer be accessible. Also, keep in mind that there's a storage quota. Files that are stored here count against your personal storage quota, which could quickly fill up. And also keep in mind that there's a risk of losing your files. If something happens to your account or you forget to share something, you risk losing access to those files if you leave or your account is deactivated. Now, taking a look at shared locations. The benefit of doing this is that the team has access. This means that files stored in a shared location are accessible to everyone within a team or department, ensuring that everyone can collaborate on the same version of a document. Another benefit of this is that you have continued access. Even if someone leaves the team, the files remain in the shared location so others can still access them without disruption. There's no impact on personal storage quota. Files in shared locations don't count against your personal storage quota, which means you have more space for personal files. And also, there's greater organization and security. Using shared location helps keep everything organized and ensures that documents are backed up and secured in a central place. Now let's take a look how to log into OneDrive here at CSUSB. There are a few ways to access OneDrive. The first one is through the MyCoyote portal. Navigate to the MyCoyote portal, click on the Collaborate tile, select the OneDrive icon to access your files. Another way is by using the cloud icon on your computer. Click on the cloud icon located on the bottom right of your computer screen in the system tray. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your CSUSB credentials to log in. You may also go through the File Explorer to access your OneDrive. You can also access OneDrive via a web browser. Open your web browser and go to OneDrive.com. Log in using your CSUSB email address and password to continue. Now I'll show you how to select a file or multiple files. For this example, I'll use the first file. Select the share option on the top. You can either copy the link to share it, or you can select share, type in the email of the person that you would like to share with, and then you can go to the edit option, which allows you to add customization. Now I've shared a file with one of my colleagues. As you can see, it's quick and easy to set up. Step 1, go to your share location. Step 2, access and select the file that you would like to share. Step 3, set your permissions. And then step 4, share with your team.